Hope everybody's really good and great. No, that old shit. It is nice outside, so make sure you go outside and get you some fresh air and a ray of sunshine so it can tantalize your body and make some clarity in your life for your day. You know, if you just so happen to be a sunshine goddess or god, you know, do that. But still, get you some fresh air. It's important that you do that. But anyway, y'all know how to do that. Just jump right to it. So look, so check this out. I don't know what's up with men thinking that women are supposed to be submissive to them. I don't know where this shit is motherfucking coming from, because the shit is wild. So check this shit out. Why I was doing in hopes, in the process of doing business with somebody who just so happened to be a male, right? We talking. Now, I've never met this person. We met through, emails, whatever. Then we got on the phone. So we gets on the phone, and he was like, I'm not really most people's cup of tea and all that old shit. So when he said that, my initial thought was that, okay, he's direct, right? Which I like people like that because I'm direct. So he was, telling me boom, 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 boom. So I was like, okay, so how much would something like this cost? Whatever he told me how much something like this was cost. And then he's still talking. And then I interrupted him again and I asked him a question, something. He was like, yo, relax. He just said, relax. Somebody telling me to relax is a trigger word for me. Like, everybody got their trigger word. I don't like when people tell me to motherfucking relax. And I definitely don't like when somebody tell me relax when I'm not hype. You know what I'm saying? Don't fucking tell me to motherfucking relax. I don't like that shit. So when he said that, like my temperature went whoop, and I was like, yo, don't tell me relax. That's exactly how I say. I say, yo, don't tell me to relax. We on the phone. The phone goes silent. And I'm like, hello? Next thing I know, he hung up. Click up. So I was like, oh, did he just hang up the phone? So clearly, like, he did. You know what I'm saying? You a whole bitch. Like, how did I hurt your feelings? By telling you something that I don't like for something that I don't like for you to say to me. You should just accept that and just keep it moving like, oh, okay. You know what I'm saying? Like, that don't mean I'm difficult. Well, I don't give a fuck what people motherfucking think. And then it's another thing too, like women or people in general, don't try to, like, I don't know, just go along to get along. Bitch, I'm not that type of bitch. Some shit bothers me, I am going to say something. And and I was not nasty in my tone or anything like that. I was some real shit. I strictly said, don't tell me to relax. You know that song? With Megan's boyfriend, that song that he got with Cardi B. When I heard that shit, I was like, yes! What the fuck you mean, relax? I was like, right? The fuck you mean? You see, okay, so the point is man, you don't fucking, I'm not, who the fuck are you? Wait, before I go there, I even had some friends who were just my friend, who was like, yo, Rill, you need to submit. Mind you, this is my friend. Like, we're friends. We hang out. We puff. We chill. You know what I'm saying? We do shit like that. That's it. Ain't not just that's it. Like, me and him are just my homie. You need to submit. Now this is me and him talking. And I told him, because this is my man. So when you my man, I talk like how I talk. Bitch, I'm not your motherfucking girl. Like, I'm not your bitch. You tell your bitch to motherfucking submit, not me. Motherfucker, I'm just your friend. Like, I'm just your homie. Like, you don't tell me to fucking submit just because you a man. Are you out your motherfucking mind? A lot of you motherfuckers is out your motherfucking mind. Another motherfucking case. Bitch, I'm in the motherfucking cab with this man. I don't know what the fuck he was trying to, I don't know how it, I was drunk. I ain't gonna lie, I was drunk. I get in the taxi and the man said, so I don't know, but at the end of it, I don't remember what I said on some real shit because I was drunk. But I do remember this because it woke my ass. I got me like up real quick. He was like, yo, get out of my cab. Y'all put my seatbelt on. Y'all ain't getting out. Call the police. Fuck you talking about get out. You know what I'm saying? Get out for what? I don't even know what the fuck. Like, for real, I don't remember. And then so, and he started selling some shit. And I'm like, look, I don't know who you think you talking to. I am not your bitch. You tell your bitch to motherfucking submit to you. No, that's what he told me to be quiet. That another one. You shut the fuck up. You don't tell me to motherfucking be quiet, bitch. I don't even motherfucking know you. I'm a customer, first of all. How dare you talk to me like that? When I get out this cab, you want your money. So what we doing here? Like you got the customer motherfucking experience all fucked up. Would you think you can talk to me any type of motherfucking way and I'm just supposed to give you motherfucking money? And I'm the customer, bitch. I am motherfucking patronizing you. You should be like as nice as you possibly can to me, unless I'm like super unruly. And I know I wasn't. I mean, you know what I'm saying? I was drunk, but I'm just saying I know I wasn't because they ain't who I am as a being. You understand what I'm saying? Bitch, yo, I cussed this motherfucker out all the way from 72nd Street till we got back to the Bronx, bitch. Like, you don't tell me, like, and then he was Muslim. Then I said, you know what, you Muslim men, y'all are just, you think that women are supposed to be submissive. I said, yo, bitch should be submissive, not me. He was like, what, you don't like Muslims? What, you don't like Muslims? I said, I never said I didn't like Muslims. I was giving you an example. Because I feel like women, you know what I'm saying, like they fall in line. That's what it looks like. Bitch, don't show your body off. You know what I'm saying? Like, whole life, you can't dress like you want to dress. Bitch, you know what I'm saying? Like, cover your whole shit up. Like, that's some serious control shit right there. For you as a person. And I don't think that men be looking at women as people or something. Or they look at us as, you know, like a person that they can direct. Bitch, no. 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 So y'all need to stop with this submissive shit. Now, if I was with my man, that is different. I don't have a man, so I'm not being submissive to none of you motherfuckers out here in the motherfucking world. If you my friend or some shit like that, or we doing business or some shit like that, like this, like, you know, I use the word bitch a lot, and you know what I'm saying. If a chick or a dude, like one of my friends, yo, Rill, don't call me no bitch. You know what I'm saying? I'll be like, oh, okay. You know what I'm saying? I respect that. But I'll be like, yo, you know what I'm saying? It's kind of hard. But I'm gonna respect, I'm gonna do my due diligence to not offend this person. So that's why, like, with the dude who's, when I told him to don't tell me to relax, just like that, yo, don't tell me to relax. And you got offended because you a whole hoe out here in these streets. Bitch, get the fuck out of here. And ladies, y'all better stand up for your motherfucking self. Don't be letting these motherfuckers try to feel like they can dictate and direct you, whatever the fuck. And they not your man. Like, you're not my man. Like, you don't are you fucking stupid? Clearly, fuck out of here. Shut y'all. Ladies, y'all better stand the fuck up. Like, cause those three instances, it didn't even make. I'm like, whoa, wait a minute, hold on. What the fuck you mean? Yo. It's crazy out here, ladies. Yo. Y'all better stand up. Don't be letting men, like, especially if it's not your man. If I had a man, it's a different story. You understand what I'm saying? That's a different story because that's my man. Like, I have a relationship, an intimate relationship with that person. But you regular motherfuckers, I don't have no motherfucking relationships, no intimate, where we're being intimate, being sexual together, and I'm sharing my intimate self, not only sexual, just my intimate self with you, because you know what I'm saying. But that's if I'm doing that. That's what with my man. So that's a different situation. You talk that shit to your bitch, not to me. Get the fuck out of here. Y'all ladies, let me know if y'all ever experienced some shit like that, and if you did, like, how did you handle it? Or do you do it? And I see the shit be happening like all the time. I do. Like, and I just be like, wow. But anyway, y'all ladies, let me know how y'all handle this shit. And also, man, what are y'all thoughts on, like, where y'all at? Like, where you at? Especially when somebody ain't your, I don't belong to you. I'm not your bitch. Like, what would you, what? You know what I'm saying? Man, listen. So, anyway, you already know. if I resonate with you, what always question underneath my arm? I think I got this deodorant that I be using is not motherfucking like great with my skin or some shit. I'm always scratching underneath my arm. But anyway, if I resonate with you, hit that, click that. I would appreciate that. What the fuck else? You already know. Be all the great things that you can possibly be in your life, but most motherfucking importantly, people without a doubt, always be you. Until we meet again. Peace.